Hello viewers, welcome to Rainbow View. So today we are going to see how to make mutton dum biryani. So let's start. So first we need 5 onion medium size. So mix it well. First don't put oil and just mix it well till it get browns. So after some time we are putting oil inside it. We should put oil till the oil covers the onion, so only it will be very nice. Then start mixing. If you use sunflower oil, it will be very nice. If you don't have, you can use normal oil. So we need 3 cardamom and 3 star anise and 2 bay leaves. Then mix it well so it gets the perfect smell and taste. Put mutton on whistle cooker for 4 whistles. Then we need 10 chilli and mix it well. So grind 1 small onion, 1 cinnamon and 1 star anise and grind it well and add it to the onion thing plus bay leaves. So close for 5 minutes and then start adding chili powder. We need 2 spoons of chili powder. If you put more, it will be so spicy, and if you put less, it won't be nice. So we need 5 to 6 tomatoes chopped and mint and coriander leaves set to be ready. Now we need ginger garlic paste 4 to 5 spoons and mix it into the biryani batter. And now start adding the mint and coriander leaves inside the biryani batter, and after mixing it well, just add yogurt inside it. And by the way, if we add yogurt only, the flavor will get neutralized and it won't be more chilly or downward. And now add the tomatoes inside. If we add tomatoes only, we'll get the perfect taste and smell. Now the mutton is ready to be put on the biryani batter. See how smoky it is. Now the boiled biryani rice is ready to be added into the biryani batter. Within 8 to 10 minutes the biryani will become ready. So stay tuned. Close the biryani with a cap and put a container of water up of it and keep it for some time so it will become ready. Now our mutton dum biryani is ready to be served. I'm sure it's really very tasty. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Rainbow View, and don't forget to tap the bell icon. Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you for the subscriber who all subscribe to my channel.